Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you all the easiest way to make tiger nut flour at home and 100% extracted tiger nut juice at home as well. So if you want to learn this, then keep on watching. So we will be needing the tiger nuts, and you can get this from the store around you or from any local market around you as well. Once you get them home and you want to use them, the first thing you should do is to select the tiger nut, because most times you can find stones and stands and a lot of impurities inside these nuts. You want to sort them out, okay? This process could be a little bit taxing, but trust me, it is very necessary. The next step is to rinse the tiger nuts multiple times, and here is a tip for you if you want to transfer it to another bowl. Try to scoop it out with your hands so that you can get rid of the sands and stones that would be settling at the down part of the water, okay? Once you're done with that, you pour in enough water into the bowl of tiger nut and soak that for just 1 hour, after which you rinse multiple times. Then you blend that with some water. The only reason why we'll be soaking that for 1 hour is so that we can get rid of the extra dust and sands that could be found in the nuts. So you don't want to soak it for too long because the taste is going to vary and we need that classic exotic flavor, okay? After blending, the next step is to strain. So the basic reason for this is to separate the chaff from the juice. So while doing that, you don't need to add in too much water. If at all you're using water for this step, please just go in with a very little amount of water. In that way, the flour is still going to be very tasty. After that, you need to strain it multiple times. You could do that 2 to 3 more times. Trust me, you just can never go wrong with straining again and again, okay? Because you'll still find something in there. So this is the amount of chaff we've gotten out of this tiger nut. So we are just going to spread that on our tray. Ensure to spread them out very well. You can use lots of tray so that the sun can get to it, especially if you're sun drying, just like I'm doing in this video. You can also choose to dry this using an oven. You can also use a dehydrator. Whichever one is totally fine. If you would be sun drying, ensure to use a net to cover it so you don't expose them to insects. And this is our juice. I'm just going to transfer that into a jug and refrigerate. You can put this in the freezer as well. It's totally fine. 18 hours later, and this is what the shafts look like. They've dried so well, and this is going to help it last longer. Don't worry about the seedy parts of the shafts. It's as a result of cluster in the tray. Just mill them, and after milling, this is what it will look like. Obviously, our flour is almost ready, but one more step, we have to sieve them so that we can get rid of a lot of impurities that we don't need, okay? So you need that very light nice flour as a final result, and this step is very crucial. After sieving, I'm going to now discard the impurities, and then our flour is ready. And guys, with just 3 cups of tiger nuts, we've been able to make this 100% extracted tiger nut juice that is so good. And we've also made tiger nut flour. Best way to store the flour is to transfer them into an airtight container and store in a dry place. In that way, it could last for a month. Then for the juice, you can store that in the freezer for a month or in the fridge for a week. The best part is that you can now flavor it to your preference. I hope you love this video. Please don't forget to like, drop your comments, subscribe and tap the notification bell, and I will see you all next time.